You wake up one morning and ask yourself, why am I doing any of this? Why this job? Why these relationships? Why do I follow the rules I follow? Most people push that question away, but some people and some of history's greatest minds sat with it, and what they found changed philosophy forever. That question has a name. It's called existentialism. Here's the radical idea at the heart of existentialism. You have no fixed purpose, no pre-written script, no destiny handed to you by the universe. A hammer is made to drive nails. Its purpose comes before it exists. But a human being, you exist first, then you decide what you are. This is what the French philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre meant when he said, "Existence precedes essence." In plain language, you are not born with meaning, you create it. Existentialism didn't come from one person. It grew from a generation of thinkers who refused to look away from life's hardest questions. Søren Kierkegaard, the Danish philosopher, said faith and personal choice are the only things that give life meaning in an uncertain world. Friedrich Nietzsche declared that God is dead, not to celebrate it, but to warn us. If traditional sources of meaning are gone, what do we replace them with? And Albert Camus pushed this even further. He said, life is absurd. There is no inherent meaning. But instead of despair, his answer was rebel. Keep living, keep creating. That is itself the answer. Now here's where it gets uncomfortable. If you are truly free, if no one has written your purpose for you, then you are also fully responsible for every choice, every direction, every version of yourself you become. Sartre called this the burden of freedom. And with it comes what existentialists call existential anxiety, that dizzy feeling when you realize there are no guardrails, no instruction manual. Most of us escape this anxiety by following the crowd, by doing what society expects. Sartre had a name for this too, bad faith, living a life that isn't really yours. You might think this is just old European philosophy, but look around. Every time you question whether your career is really yours, that's existentialism. Every time you break from what your family or society expects, that's existentialism. It is not a philosophy of despair. It is a philosophy of ownership, of courage, of saying, I don't know why I'm here, but I will decide what to do with it. And maybe, just maybe, that's enough. If this made you think, subscribe to Wider Lens, because this is exactly the kind of question we're here to explore.